During the industry visit, all students could explore the entire pen production process at the manufacturing unit. They watched as the pen body was created by molding sand materials into specific shapes. Other components like the cap and head were also made from materials such as sand, polypropylene, acetal, and RPB, tailored to meet different needs. Students learned about the detailed steps of inserting ink, attaching nibs, heat stamping, and adding foil to complete the final pen design. We also spoke with the workers running the machines and gained an understanding of their daily tasks. This hands-on experience helped us appreciate the detailed manufacturing process and the vital role of people management in keeping operations running smoothly and maintaining high morale in a manufacturing setting.